Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Unlock it, open the camera app or a dedicated QR scanner, and make sure camera permission is granted. Position the phone about 6 to 12 inches from the QR code so the pattern fills the viewfinder without cropping. Once done, reduce glare by angling the card or moving a light source. Make sure autofocus locks. You will know when the pattern sharpens, and a prompt or highlight usually appears. You should now aim for the scanner to detect the code and show a preview or link. When the notification appears, pause to inspect the URL or action label so you can trust it. Look for the Eco Club name or a familiar domain. Once satisfied, tap the Open or Join option. If a permission prompt appears, for location, calendar, or contact, read it and allow only what is necessary for the Eco Club activity. You finish by completing any short form, accepting terms, and saving the confirmation or joining the group. Make sure to add the event to your calendar if relevant. Once done, bookmark or screenshot the confirmation so you can return quickly. If the scan fails, try one key troubleshooting tip. Clean the camera lens, increase lighting, and hold steady. If that still fails, switch to a QR app or manually enter the code printed beside the QR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.